Jai Srimannarayana, 16th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aham kratuhu, aham yajñaha, svadhaham, aham aushadham, मंत्रोऽहम् अहमेवाज्यम् अहमग्निः अहं हुतम् ॐ check if there is any room for you to feel garvam and ahankaram, because all the good and divine activities are Sri Krishna Paramatma, actions are Sri Krishna Paramatma, performer is Sri Krishna Paramatma, receiver is Sri Krishna Paramatma, efficiency is Sri Krishna Paramatma, ingredients is Sri Krishna Paramatma, formula is Sri Krishna Paramatma. There is no room for you to feel that you have done, and there is no room for you to claim you have done. Everything is Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall sincerely realize that all the good and divine activities are you. Performance is you, efficiency is yours, formula is yours, ingredients is yours, everything is you, Sri Krishna Paramatma. I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 92nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Trunavarta, he has taken Balakrishna in the form of a tornado and went into the space. He made the entire Gokulam dark. Then Yasoda Devi Sutam Yasoda na apasyat tasmin nyastavati yataha. Yasoda Devi could not find Balakrishna anywhere. where she kept Balakrishna. Because she is not finding him anymore, she started crying a lot. Bhuvi patita amruta vatsaka yadha gauhu. She fell on the floor and started crying a lot. Sudigali vachi ninnun. Sudigoni koni pova minta sudigonuchun. Bedagadaredu. నా ముద్దుల కొడుకా ఏమంటివనుచు ఘోరంబనుచున్. Yashodadevi, as and how if the calf is died, how cow cries, just like that Yashodadevi started crying because she is not finding Chinni Krishna anywhere. All the gopikas came to Yashodadevi. They also realized Krishna is lost, and then they also started crying. But here Trunāvarta, after taking Krishna into the space, Krishna started getting so heavy. Krishnam nabhogato gantum naseknot bhuri bhara bhrut. Trunāvarta was not able to carry Krishna anymore because he became so heavy. Trunāvarta could not move anywhere and also could not leave Krishna because Krishna held Gale Gruhite. He held the throat of Trunāvarta. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః. కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th chapter 16th శ్లోక. అహం క్రతురహం యజ్ఞః స్వధాహమహమౌషధం మంత్రోహమహమేవాజ్యం అహమగ్నిరహం హుతం. అహం క్రతురహం యజ్ఞః స్వధాహమహమౌషధం మంత్రోహమహమేవాజ్యం అహమగ్నిరహం హుతం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.